PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Extreme video for Friday, the 20th day of June. James Spann here as we look to perhaps a few showers and thunderstorms around late tonight or tomorrow. Let's check out some Skycam images on this day of the summer solstice. This is the largest amount of daylight we see during the whole year today, and accordingly, we've got a little daylight out there at 5 o'clock. That's the view coming from the Gadsden Skycam up in Etowah County. Nice shot of the downtown area there. Over on the western side of the state, nice-looking sky from Tuscaloosa. A few high cirrus clouds giving the sky some texture. And way down south, the Gulf of Mexico is seen from the Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites down in Gulf Shores. Off in the distance, you can see the rebuilding process on the pier that's owned by the state of Alabama. That was the one destroyed by Ivan back in 2004. Water vapor satellite imagery this morning. Trough over the east, heat over the southwest. In between thunderstorms, take a look at the convective outlook today. Got a couple of slight risk areas, small ones, one near Chicago, another one near Cincinnati, and the larger one over the western high plains. Tomorrow, Saturday, got a slight risk over parts of West Texas and eastern New Mexico, and from near Kansas City up to Buffalo, New York. And on day 3, which is Sunday, an active convective day for places like Washington, D.C. and New York City, Philadelphia. Might be some airport delays if you're flying up there with big storms, and also out over Montana, way out west. Here's the QPF map, the expected rain around the country. This is valid through Tuesday evening of next week. Heaviest rain from the Red River north up to Nebraska and also in New England. And around here, this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 inch. Numbers coming down a bit. And I think that's a good thing. It looks like most of the scattered showers and storms here will be tomorrow, and really a pretty good chunk of next week looks relatively dry. This is today's look from the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, trough over the east. At northwest flow aloft will generate some active weather to the northwest of here, and ultimately some of that should reach us. Looking at the surface chart there, again, we've got a convective complex showing up today to the northwest of here over western Kentucky and Missouri, and we'd better probably mention a chance of a shower tonight in case some of that stuff reaches us, and then tomorrow we'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms, and that seems to be for the northern half of the state perhaps the best opportunity. And understand, it's not going to be an even distribution, but quite frankly, we could use some rain. It's getting a bit dry here, and then Sunday, the model shows the better chance of showers and storms shifting down to the south of Interstate 59 as drier air slips into North Alabama. So if you're south of Birmingham, you could see a decent shower or storm Sunday, but north of Birmingham, the chance looks awfully small. And then Monday of next week, the air looks fairly dry. Only a slight chance of a shower. Tuesday, trough off to the northeast, and again, dry air covers the deep south. That looks dry. Wednesday looks dry. And Thursday of next week looks fairly dry. So it's a pretty quiet pattern here. So we could certainly pick up a good shower or storm tomorrow, and that would be a good thing. We'll go deeper into the cycle here. This is the 1st of July. Westerlies are shifting up north, a weakness in the ridge here, and that would be kind of soupy and moist, and chance of showers and storms. And at the end of the forecast period, the 5th of July, still a trough over the northeast, but kind of ridging going on down here. And that looks like very, very typical summertime weather, if that's right, and it probably is. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Friday, and God bless.